first invented Spireflex technology for NASA to keep astronauts fit on the International Space Station. We decided to miniaturize Spireflex to create the OYO Gym, a portable gym for strength training at home, in the office, and while traveling, to solve the #1 reason people don't exercise: time. The OYO team turned to Kickstarter to help us bring this to market. And in just 45 days, you propelled the OYO Gym to the second highest funded fitness product in Kickstarter history.
We all just got done with our group class, only needing our OYO Gym. We had a really good time. We're hot, we're sweaty, but we had a lot of fun.
OYO Fitness is one of the fastest growing health and fitness companies in the world. Our customers love the OYO Gym. Just read their reviews. However, there is one thing everyone's been asking for: more resistance. Well, we listened, and here is our answer: the next evolution of the OYO Gym, Nova. Nova is a full gym in your hands that enables you to work out where you are right now and enjoy the same benefits as weights, without the weight. Powered by our patented Spireflex technology with 10, 20, 30, up to 40 pounds of smooth Spireflex resistance that feels like plate-loaded equipment at the gym. T-handles provide a better grip to control the higher resistance levels and are reinforced with steel tubes. Nova features the same type of nylon-coated stainless steel cables used on health club equipment, and the fitness breakthrough no other gym has: double flex activation, providing resistance to opposing muscle groups within a single movement, building a balanced body in less time. You can expand the range of exercises by anchoring the Nova Gym to your foot or a door. If you have the time for the crowded health club, that's great. But what if you could save time and do those same exercises where you are right now? Chest fly, back fly, bicep, tricep, lat pull down, rows, shoulder press or raise, ab crunch, back extension. Our founder of OYO Fitness invented Spireflex resistance technology, which powers the Nova Gym. But before Nova, Spireflex was first developed for NASA to keep astronauts in shape on the International Space Station. A NASA 16-week ground study proved Spireflex technology increased muscle hypertrophy, or in plain language, increased muscle size as much as lifting free weights.
When I returned to Earth after using Spireflex technology almost every day over 6 months, I was physically stronger in every test.
Spireflex technology was recently inducted into the Space Technology Hall of Fame. The Nova Gym with Spireflex technology enables you to fit fitness into your busy life, to get lean and fit anywhere, anytime, home, in the office, or while traveling. Build and sculpt your chest, back, arms, core, and legs. When you join the OYO Fitness community, you're not just purchasing a workout device. You're joining the OYO Fitness Club with access to our vast library of workout videos, including the OYO 10-Week Challenge, in which participants achieved life-changing results. Building on the success of the original OYO Gym, the OYO NOVA Gym delivers an increased resistance you asked for, and is quite simply the best portable strength training device in the world. The OYO Fitness team is excited to get the Nova into your hands. We've listened to our backers. We've upgraded our design. Now we ask you to join us and transform your body with Nova.